Warning, the following video contains Mario hitting a bird with a lightsaber toy, but do not worry, that is not a real bird, it is just a stuffed animal. But besides the point, viewer discussion is advised. Anywho, enjoy the video.
Review! Creep out here. What do you shut up? Creep out! Give me one! Yeah! Woody, shut up. Look, I know you're on your display set. Please shut up. I am trying to sleep. Oh my gosh! Mario! Ah! Are we being robbed? Bowser Jr.? What do you guys want? Oh my gosh, Mario! You will not believe what we saw. Yeah, it was so beautiful. It's so beautiful. That's why I might destroy your Legos, Junior. But Mario, we saw something really cool, and I think you should come see it. It's absolutely beautiful. Spit it out, Bowser. What is it? Here's the cool part. It was a bird. What's so interesting about a bird? It has a nest, Mario, and there's eggs in it. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Like, how beautiful can nature be? Her nest! Bowser! April could get swooped! Oh yeah, there's the occasion of that, but no, seriously, Mario. This is a really beautiful bird. You need to come see it. I mean, like, come on. You really need to come see it. Oh, no, I'm good, Bowser. No, come on. No. I want my beauty sleep. Yeah, boy. I'm stuck. Alright, that's one way to get out of bed. Take on with Mario. Now, Mario. Come on. Oh, Mario, you see it? Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, damn. That looks like a pretty good bird. I might do the bird call. Goody, booty. You booty. Well, can you stop with your shenanigans? Sorry. But wow, that's that's amazing. Well, come on. What are we waiting for? Let's go look at her. Oh, good idea. Creepos. Oh, there it is! Wow, that looks amazing! Alright, guys, what are we gonna do for this? Oh, I know! Oh, my face! I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over to the birdie and be like, hey, birdie, come here! Whatever, have fun getting swooped. Alright, now. And I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat its eggs back. Woody, just go get the bird. Alright, fine. Hello there, little birdie. I see you got some eggs. You got an egg? You got 3 of them. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, come here. Oh, Mario! It's attacking me! It's attacking me! I'm gonna get in the mating position. I'm a point. Woody, are you okay? I'm fine, partner. I'm fine. Oh my gosh. Alright, I suggest we all stay away from that bird. No! What? I'm getting this bird out of our backyard. Look at April. She's dumb as a rock, Mario. Bowser, don't be rude. Well, she is. She can't even tell her spatial awareness. So, really, she's as dumb as a rock. Whatever you say, Bowser, I'm getting this bird out of our backyard once and for all. Alright, Mario, you do that. Me and Bowser are gonna head back inside. Yeah, you guys do you. See you guys later. Don't call us a loser, Mario. Yeah. Come here, little birdie. Alright, Bowser. The dog's over there eating its breakfast. So, let's go head on in. Alright. Guys think I'm not gonna get the bird out of the backyard? Ha! Watch me. Alright. There's the bird. Shut up, dog! Alright, there's the bird. I can do this. Get out of my tree! Get off me! Get off me! I'm getting out of here! Damn you, bird! I gotta get in! Oh, the door's locked! No! Oh, come on! Come on! I gotta... Mario, what are you doing? Get out of here! Oh no. Okay. Okay. Calm down, Mario. Calm down. Okay, maybe you kill the bird. Maybe that just happened. Hey there, Mario. Hi, Woody. So, did you get the bird? Yeah. I got the bird, totally. All I had to do was just scare him and then he ran off. What are you looking at? Correct me if I'm wrong, Mario, but that there's a dead bird. No. There's no such thing as a dead bird. Right? Mario? Hi, Bowser. Why's my last sun's lightsaber outside? Yeah, Mario. Why is it? Okay, fine! I killed the bird! What? You killed the bird? It was by accident, I swear! I think Woody just had a mental breakdown. I wouldn't be surprised. Mario, how could you? You just killed a bird! It was by accident! I hit it with the toy lightsaber! I'm still grabbing my son's lightsaber. No! Because... no, actually, no. No, you know what? Screw that. I'm gonna call the police. What? Kiwi boy! That's uncalled for. Okay, Mario, the game is lose your gold. Mario? Mario, what's wrong? Is that a dead bird? Yes, Luigi, I killed a bird. Mario, how could you? How did you even kill the bird in the first place? Listen, it's a long story. Long story short, I don't want to be... Bowser's calling the police and everything. I'm screwed. Well, why is Woody saying cross-legged and like that? Because I'm about to hit freedom, Luigi. Freedom. Yeah, boy. Listen, Mario, there's really nothing you probably could do. What am I meant to do, Luigi? I'm screwed. Oh, hey, the news is coming on. The news? Luigi, you idiot, that's a commercial. Oh. My bad. But hey, I don't think Bowser will call someone on you. Because, you know, snitches get stitches. Yeah, you're right. Bowser wouldn't do not such a thing. Oh, I must be the police officer. Because Mario killed a bird. Hello? Alright, come in, Luigi. Thanks, Wing. Alright, officer. Welcome to my house. I live here. Right. So you called about a bird being dead? Yes. What bird was it? I don't know, you're gonna have to come investigate. Listen, I swear if it's one of those things again... Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to find you, Wee. Alright, officer, here's the murderer. Mario! Well, Bowser, you snitch! Ha 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 ha. Mario, remember what I said before? Snitches get stitches. You're right. Actually, officer, you know, Bowser actually tried to kidnap Princess Peach the other day. What? No. Yeah. He tried to kidnap Peach. Bowser, is this true? No, it's not. Bowser, tell me the truth, me. Oh, I thought I tried to steal Peach. Leave me alone. That's besides the point. Alright, Mario. I'm gonna go have a look at this, and if I determine that it's dead, you're under arrest. What? Under arrest? You can't do that! Luigi, put me out here. Sorry, Mario. Excuse me, I'm going to go have a look at the bird. I'm so screwed. Tell me about it. Shut up, Bowser. Alright. So, apparently there's a dam. What the hell, me? Damn lights everywhere. The dog. Oh my gosh! This is the bird we have been looking for! Oh my gosh, wait! Please have a post, guy! Please have a post! No! I must do mouth to mouth, wait! Wait! Oh no, wait! Mario, you're so screwed, wait! Oh, Luigi, what am I gonna do? It's okay, Mario. Mario, calm down. Mario, wait! Oh no, that's Waluigi. Bye, Mario. Woody, what about you? Boy, Creepo Hunter. Guys! Alright, so I determined the bird is dead. I have to take this to the news, and then they will determine if you are to be arrested or just fined. Please let it be a fine. I don't determine that, way. That's the judge's job, you know. See you, Mario. Mario, what do you have to say? He said I could be jailed or fined. That's what you get for killing an innocent bird, Mario. But Luigi, this was by accident. Mario, you're not cuckoo crazy, are you? No, I am not cuckoo crazy. Why on earth would you think that? I don't know. Oh, look at the news is coming on. Oh no, screw the news. Breaking news, okay? I don't know why I said that. That's SMJ's job. But anyway, in breaking news, people, I am here with Detective Woody, who's going to help us determine if the bird is dead. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I thought so. So yes, we're here with Woody. Alright, breaking news. I gotta determine if this bird is dead or not. So, excuse me, sir, that's my job. I'm the journalist. In recent news, Mario's dead. No. Ugh. Just cut the camera. Cut the camera. Alright, now Woody's going to examine the body. Aren't you, Woody? Yippee-doo. Let me do this. Alright. Hey, shampoos and conditions. That's not really necessary. Right. So, as we can see, this is the rare bird that Mario has killed. So, we have no other way of bringing it back to life. See, he's dead. So, smells very nice, though. Can you stop smelling the bird? It's just tell us if it's dead or not. It is dead. There's no pulse. It is nothing. There is nothing. Mario, if you're watching, Mario, you're watching this. You're damn screwed. What? I'm screwed? Done did my job. You did not do your job, Woody. You're a creepo hunter for crying out loud. You snitch. You snitch. Is that why you're cross-legged? Like, ooh, I'm Mr. Fancy over here. Ooh. Yippee-doo. Kiwi boy, Mario. Right on the dot. Well, the court wants to see you, so you're done. Screw Mario. Have a nice life. Screw you, Woody. Mario, it's okay. You should be fine. Fine? I'm not gonna be fine, Luigi. Mario, calm down. Alright, Wayne. So the courts determined that you did kill the bird in response to self-defense. So you're being fined $100. Have a nice life, Mario. What? Yeah, see ya. Right. $100? Hey, that's pretty good, though. I'm going back up into my room. Mario? Wait, Waluigi, how long does he have? That's 30 days, Wayne. Mario, you have 30 days. Shut up, Luigi, I gotta care. Oh, man. What am I ever gonna do? I'm screwed for all I know.